If you ask me, now who I go ask? The matter where you see, so it's the way you start. Now be me go talk. He heavy for mouth. If you ask me, the matter for God. Now who I go ask? Before I don't finish. My people, today matter is therapy. Now Nollywood movie. Now for the year this kind of story, I don't know say it dey happen, but we are for a year now. Oh God! Now the kind person wey be say, I know say that bros, that uncle, that man, you know the lie. The thing be like film for my eye. Tori, you don't know what to do. Hello, me first greet my people first. Welcome to this YouTube channel, Two Drinks with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time, you then get post for YouTube, or you dey watch, you never subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you will just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. So today matter na two twins, okay, mo will call them Vivian and Victory. It's okay like that. This Vivian and Victory, so there be two twins wey be say they resemble well. What they call them? Identical twins. If I not call her woman and manager like that, me I not cut my tongue. Identical twins. Their finger, their head to toe. People for outside know they even the family self. If they heart before they know this. This one I be Vivian. This one I be Victory. If they heart. So they can't do. It can't be like say the Victory for inside. That one self, it be like say you not to get guy like that, you know, get serious guy like that. He just package herself. When the Vivian, he can't get one correct guy, you know, that they together. So one day, then the guy come tell her say, make they go club, make they go Mechonu, make they go Totori, make they go enjoy themselves. Now Vivian come to say he not go fit go because he get as things be, you understand? So he come dey fear, may not be like say the guy will come go now, come go see another babe now. May not be say they come call be the guy for his hands. Now he come say, okay, as far as say my twin sister did there, come beg the twin sister, beg, make you follow my guy go this club. Hey, the guy, twin sister come say, okay, no problem. Now so they take go, they come waka go, they reach club, they come dance, they enjoy themselves, they tori, they come go past their boundary, they come go past their gauge, they come over drink, come go past their gauge. This one don't drink, that one don't drink. Okay, instead of the man, now the man can't drink now, he can't forget say, not be Vivian, now he there with na Victory. Before you know it, the apple. Now so he call be Victory. He carry am. He not go supposed to go drop Victory for house. He can't go drop Victory for in your house, in family house. And the family they know Vivian. Being as say they resemble well. So they can't say maybe na Vivian na come. They don't know say na Victory. Na come, but Victory no say na the guy the house. Now they come they ask am question because no, maybe so talk when they with Vivian don't talk before. They come they ask Victory come they pretend like saying na Vivian. Now say they answer them, they come before you notice the apple, they come for top of bed though. Before you notice the apple, hey, they come start to the jogodo. They come jogodo. Now so they take sleep. When they come break, Victory wake up. Apple, you know wear clothes. Vivian boyfriend wake up, walking stick, he no wear clothes. Which can't be this one now? How this one take happen? Both of them don't know when they take one thing, take come out for two things. This can't just happen like this. Now they come say me they just suffering as they chop, so make they clean their mouth because this kind of thing, it not go for a year. If Vivian hear am, na kasala, na wahala, make they just suffering clean their mouths. So they take clean mouth. una know say that one wey be say you go do say make you clean your mouth, na that one na dey draw your leg come out. When you be say you don go toilet don shit finish, the small one wey dey remain na dey come dey stain the back o. You know now. Na so much come head o. Okra e come germinate o. Okra e come grow. You no get choice than to open up to talk say see wetin happen that day o. Vivian come dey vex say twin sister, why you do this one to me? And now the okra e don grow, and for the family they no dey remove okra, they dey leave am. So they come dey debate on the matter, say okay, wetin they go do now? Because they say for their family they no dey remove okra, and Vivian don deal with this one for so long, okra no grow. Only once when e take go for victory, now okra take grow. How they wan do this kind matter? So then they come carry the matter go meet their senior brother wey be say this their brother sef na God fearing man. That one come say okay, make e pray about it, make it see wetin they go fit talk, make they give am time. As that one come pray, he come say one man just waka come meet am. He come tell am say some things wey be human being for this life, they think say na mistake. He say no be mistake, na destiny. He say so na her destiny make e leave the okra and make e be with that man. He say na her destiny. Now he come say carry the matter come meet me o. Let me come sit down. I come see think am too. I come know say they say e get one parable wey they always dey make, and I dey believe that parable. They say na man when woman hold pikin for, na im dey born pikin for. That is for Benin, they say na momo abiena. That is man. If you no get pikin for man, you no go born for the man. Even if say you stay with the man 20 years, you no go born for am. But if you get pikin for man, you dey hold man pikin, na be say you go born for that pikin. They always dey make that parable. And these twins matter, so me come dey look and say na the same thing, because the sister don be with the guy for so long. Okra no grow for once. The only ones when this twin sister come do, okra come grow. So I dey look and say whether na destiny, me no know. So me bring this matter come now. Make una say shook una mouth put, make una see wetin una reason for this kind matter. Because na Nollywood me see all this kind thing dey happen, and this one just dey happen for one family now. And these two twins, so no be Nigeria they born them, na abroad they born them. So they get pali, they fit travel go anywhere when they want travel go. And this kind of thing can happen. The family say that okra they no go temper and they go leave am. But Vivian not dey happy with his sister. Sister come beg and say he no get mind to follow you shop your walking stick. Now just say one thing come up for two things that day. Then make am be say this kind of thing can happen. He no fit do that kind of thing. And even the Vivian boyfriend too, he say he never get intention to do that kind of thing. So you when they look me now, what do you think? I mean Vivian just leave her for a twin sister. What do you not think? But after this brother don't tell me this matter, me can tell am say what did he talk as he say the revelation when you see one man waka come meet and tell am say sometimes we dey take destiny for mistake, say na our destiny make it be with the man, make it leave them. But he right oh, but me come shook my mouth say na destiny we know, but this destiny now e tear apart oh, because road wey person don first pass to pass her again, e dey very very easy to pass. Because if he say okay, because of say okra grow now, he can carry victory, you no go happy. And beside that, if this okra grow now, na to marry this victory, Vivian no go come do omugo. They be twin sister oh, they be like this, and they be identical, they really resemble well. Vivian no go come dey greet victory for house. Vivian no come dey visit his sister. Road wey person don fit pass, me dey talk my own, and my own me dey talk. Now everybody go talk im own. Everybody get right to his own opinion. Abeg, make anybody not cause anybody, because sometimes things dey happen when you be say you no expect. Abeg, Mona not cause anybody. Abeg, Mona just still see how solution go take on. Na solution we dey find right now. Okay, if Vivian come house now, come Victory house, say he come greet her, or he come do omugo, or he come for visiting, how e go be now? You sure say that road now the man no go wakara again? Abi make kukuma just carry two of them, make you just marry two of them, because I don't first see one man marry two sisters like that. Yes, two twins wey they resemble well. He married them and the marriage dey okay for them. But for our tradition, we no dey do like that. Say make one man marry two sisters or two twins. So me no know. So make he marry two of them. Abi make Vivian just give up and leave her for Victory, because that's okra. According to the person wey present this matter now, he said that okra na no go area, they no dey take parent. That okra must go, or make e just burn the okra, make e give Victory, then e waka comot. But if e still burn the okra, e give or make Victory burn the pikin, make e give Vivian, then she waka comot. But if you still give Vivian that pikin now, you no go still come dey visit Vivian for the house? Road wey person don fit pass, go pass am easy o. I know say e get the kind road wey person don fit pass, wey person go run, e no go pass am again. But this kind road now, e too dey close to your house, wey be say you no go fit. E near your house well. You say your house, you see the road for your corner of your house. One day you go see say make you go pass that road, because e too near your house. Because I know say some people go say, even though say don't fit pass the road, you go run. If you see the road again, you go follow another option. But if the road come dey very close to your house, you go come leave am, come go dey go Kafaja. Even though say you dey go Kafaja, one day you go tire. You go say make you follow that small road, Appian road. You go say make you follow her. Wetin you think? Because this matter now, I surprised when I see myself. I feel not count for head. I say, I person want to do this one, see. Okay, the guy in question now, he go just love two of them with the same love. If you love one, pass one, no. Because he can't be like, say, even the Victory self, he be like, say, he not get guy at all. Because, let's say, he get guy, if you're not quicker like that, because according to him, don't say, when he shop sugar cane rich, he just not say, now this guy, now he get am. Because he be like say your relationship not dey stable, Vivian own dey stable, but see wetin can happen now. So wetin you go really think make these two people do? Because I just want somebody wey go bring good idea, wey be say e no go affect this one, because you know say twins matter na small dey put matter. Because these twins wey you see so, they love themselves die. I remember those days when be say we dey play that time. If you follow one, I get two twins wey I know that time. If you follow one quarrel, the other one go come find your trouble. You must follow that one quarrel. You no go gree leave. Even if say you and that one come still settle, you must make sure say una quarrel. So twins matter, they dey suffer, dey shook mouth put for their matter. E be like husband and wife matter, they dey suffer, dey shook mouth put. Even the family self, they go suffer shook mouth put. Because e get the way you come take support one person now, tomorrow na you go come be enemy. So the way this matter supposed to be, when doctor settle this matter, and the way all of us go take shook our mouth put, now the way we be say e no go affect this one, e no go affect this one. You go your dey okay for this one, e go dey okay for this one. So wetin come be that solution now? When go dey okay for this one, when go dey okay for that one? Wetin you think? This matter, e no go end for here. We go carry am go group. We will see sit down, make we table talk this matter. How e supposed to be? Whether make as I fit talk am, whether make e just born the pikin give Vivian, since Vivian no fit get, go just train her, maybe from there you go come, make she go gain her life, or make Vivian just leave them, make they continue their life. Which one go good pass? You wey dey watch me now, if you see this kind of situation, because anybody can have right to use their own opinion without insult. If you can't see anybody wey dey inside this situation, wetin you go advise that person to do? Or make two of them just leave the man, But if just dey leave the man now, Victory now, e don turn to single mother o. E don turn to single mother, because definitely they leave the man go see another person carry o. Abi e be like say they go kukuma leave the man. And they say for the family, lele because na marriage, anything wey don make okra grow na marriage. They say no, say every family get their law, say no go born without say you no marry. Come so as far as say you fit give that man your ample shop, whether the man good o, whether he bad o, the man must marry you. Na so the family be o. So me come here come talk my own. So my people, my precious people, my responsible people, wetin una think for this matter? Make una shook una mouth put o, abeg make you still share this video so that solution go dey now, because everybody dey tight corner now. And for the WhatsApp group, we go see how we take table talk this matter too. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming around again. I remain your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl, anyone you call me, I dey there for you. True Dreams with Lady T. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you will just know anytime we put video for here. And please don't forget to share this video and leave your comment down there and leave your voice record too. And please, we need solution. This matter, it's a rapper. Now, wetin matter when they crack brain put. That be this. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T. And God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T. And God will see you through.